What could you do if you spent less time on maintenance and more time getting your work done? What would it do for your productivity or damage reduction if your fork placement was smooth and accurate? The elite Toyota 3-wheel electric allows you to delve into a whole new world of uptime, productivity, and industry-leading performance. Over the years, Toyota's line of forklifts has proven to be the most dependable, reliable, and safe. The 3-wheel electric boasts industry-leading travel, acceleration, lift, and lower speeds. Studies found a 40% increase in runtime with one charge compared to the competition. Navigating through the warehouse has been made simple with the Toyota 3-wheel electric. Cornering speed control in a tight turn allows for increased confidence in fast-paced applications. Smooth, responsive, and fast, the progressive hydraulics on the mast and auxiliary functions help to reduce damage while increasing productivity. Your forklift should be your best ally. With new and improved features, the Toyota 3-wheel electric does just that. It takes efficiency and uptime to new heights. But Toyota has done more than simply improve productivity and efficiency. The 3-wheel electric has been designed with standard features that improve durability as well. In fact, more than 30 enhancements, including wet disc brakes, allow the Toyota 3-wheel electric to stand alone in its class. Maintenance doesn't have to be a chore, and neither does operating the forklift day in and day out. At Toyota, we know a comfortable operator is a productive forklift operator, so ergonomics are of utmost importance. A smaller steering wheel and a foot parking brake make the Toyota 3-wheel electric forklift ergonomically pleasing and easy to operate. The full suspension seat, adjustable for various weights, allows the operator to spend hours on the forklift without fatigue. Entry and exit from both sides with 2 large assist grips improve productivity. When reverse travel is necessary, the optional rear assist grip with horn provides effortless maneuvering. You need a reliable, versatile forklift with the latest technology to make getting the job done safer, easier, and more efficient. The Toyota 3-wheel electric sit-down counterbalance is the ideal solution for you and your business. Informed buyers choose Toyota. For more information or to locate your authorized Toyota industrial equipment dealer, visit toyotaforklifts.com.